Good morning, dear students. I am going to teach you GK subject. What do you mean by GK? GK means general knowledge. This is your GK textbook. In this book, we are going to study first unit. And in first unit, we are going to study first chapter. So let us begin with the first chapter. See children, this is our unit 1, Animal World, and our first chapter is Land and Water Animals. Now here are few pictures of animals given in your first chapter. This is tiger, this is jellyfish, this is gorilla, this is crab, this is kangaroo, this is leopard, this is octopus, this is dolphin, and this is starfish. Now, in these animals, few are water animals and few are land animals. Now, what do you mean by land animals? The animals which live on land are called land animals, and the animals which lives on water is called water animals. Now, here are two columns given, land animal and water animals. Now, what you have to do is, you have to pick these animals and place it into this column or this column. Okay, we'll start with first animal, that is tiger. Now, is tiger land animal or water animal? Can you guess? Yes, you're right. Tiger is a land animal. So, we are going to write here tiger. We are going to write tiger. You also have to write with me. Okay, children? Now, this is second animal. This is jellyfish. And where does the jellyfish live? Yes, jellyfish lives in the water. So, we will be writing here jellyfish. You also write along with me. Okay, children? Now, here is a third animal. And third animal is gorilla. Where does gorilla live? Does gorilla lives on land or water? Yes, gorilla lives on land. So, we are going to write here gorilla. You also write along with me. Our fourth animal is crab. And where does crab lives? Crab lives on land. So, we'll be writing here. And sometimes we see that crab lives in water too. Now, our next animal is kangaroo. Where does kangaroo live? Kangaroo lives on land. Kangaroo lives on land. So, we will be writing kangaroo in this column. You also have to write along with me. Okay. Our next animal is leopard. So, this leopard, where do we find this animal? We find in jungle, and it lives on land. And so, we are going to write in this column, the column of land animal. Okay, children? Now, our next animal is octopus. Where does octopus live? Octopus lives in water. Where does octopus live? Octopus lives in water. Write along with me, children. Okay. Now, our next animal is dolphin. Where does dolphin live? Dolphin lives in water. So, we are going to write in this column, dolphin. And our last animal is starfish. And where does starfish lives? Starfish also lives in water, because this is also a fish. So, starfish also lives in water. So, we are going to write here starfish. Have you understood, children, this lesson? This lesson is about land animal and water animal. Where does land animal lives and where does water animal lives? Now see, children, we are going to study our second chapter, that is water birds. This chapter is related to the birds. And what are water birds? The birds that lives on water or around water bodies are called water birds. Again I will repeat, the bird that live on or around water bodies are called water birds. They have special features that help them to swim and even dive into water. Here are few pictures of water birds and we have to solve this crossword puzzle. So let us start. Okay children, let us start with this first bird. This first bird is Stork. What is the name of this first bird? Stork. Now here is first number. So you will write here S-T-O-R-K. Stork. Write down S-T-O-R-K. What is this word? Stork. Now our second bird is Spoonbill. See the beak of the bird? It looks like a spoon, and so the name of this bird is Spoonbill. The second number is here. So S-P-O-O-N-B-I-L-L. Now we will write the missing letters. S-P-O-O-N is already there. B is already there. We are going to write I-L-L. Okay. So what is the name of this bird? Spoonbill. Now our third bird is duck. And here third number is 3. So duck, we'll write the spelling of duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Now our fourth bird is swan. Our fourth water bird is swan. And where do we find four number? Here. So we are going to write S is already there and N is there. So we are going to write W and A. So S W A N, swan. So our fifth bird is flamingo. And here is 5 number. And what is the spelling of flamingo? We will write F-L-A-M. I is already there. We will write N letter. G is there. And we will be writing O letter. So this word is flamingo. This bird is flamingo. Our next bird is sixth bird. This bird is called pelican. What is this bird called? Pelican. And here is 6 number. So we will write P E L. I is already there. So we will write C A and N. What is the word? Pelican. What is the word? Pelican. P-E-L-I-C-A-N. Our next bird is gull. What is the name of this bird? The water bird, gull. So here is 7 number. We write G is already there. So we will be writing U, L and L. Double L. So what is the spelling? G, U, L, L. Gull. Okay. Now our last water bird is tern. What is the name of this bird? Tern. Where do we find 8 number? Here. So we are going to write the spelling of tern. T-E-R-N. Tern. Okay children? Have you understood now? All these are water birds and we have solved the crossword with the help of these pictures. We have solved the crossword with the help of this picture.